Namaskar to the world from Nepal. Humans often sacrifice animals in the name of festival and in the name of religion, which is totally unjust. It's very wrong act, I think. It's because in the name of God, if we sacrifice the different animal which has dream of living, which has a right to live, is very unjust. It's a crime. It's a sin. But some people who are educated but still ignorant, they are educated but illiterate. Such people claim in this universe, in this world, are their opinion is whatever animals are in this planet as are for human. Is that so? Do you think so? Do you support such ill and absurd opinion? I really hate such statement. I don't like to listen animal sacrifice in the whole world. And the opinion of such people are is this world is full of plants and animals and that is for the sake of human beings. It's not. It's the wrong concept. Yes, let's go to history. They were savage at the time. They didn't have any other options. That's why they used to kill animals, they used to consume the plants, whatever they had. But now, human has changed. Human has shifted from stone age to agricultural age and now in technological world. And coming in this stage, coming in this 21st century, we have kept the same ugly and absurd thought in our opinion. And we still claim that these animals are for human beings. It is actually not that. Human beings are in this earth. Plants and animals are in this earth. Plants and animals are with human beings, not for human beings. But who does care? When do we understand this reality? Because thinking ourselves a supreme creature, we like to kidnap, we like to kill, and we give the animal torture, which is totally sin. It's a great crime. And when will this be stopped? My dear friend, if you and me and others, if we don't support peace, animal peace, we always talk about the human peace. We talk about the female peace. Now it's the time for us to think about animals because animals are meek. They don't have any voice. They don't speak. They have their own language. But their language is for their group's way. So being rational, being educated, being civilized, it's our turn to listen them. We have to listen their right to live. and no one has right to kill animals either in the name of festivals or in the name of religion. It's totally sick. It's illegal work. Living in this 21st century where there are so many options, we have developed so many options. We have fruits, we have different plants, vegetables. At that time, in a stone age, human beings were savages. They didn't have any option. That's why they fully depend on the plants and animals. But now, we claim ourselves civilized. We claim ourselves advanced. So, is this the civilization? Killing animals in the name of test of the tongue is civilization? Is this the peace which we want? PEACE, peace, is the best for everyone, for human beings, for animals, for insects. But my dear friend, what we are doing, we are making PIEC, peace of animals and birds. Don't they have rights to live? And are we going to save them, or we are going to finish them? For that purpose, God has sent us making a supreme creature. When will we understand this reality? It's time to think, to rethink, to rebuild, to reconstruct. Now we have to change ourselves. And my dear friend, to be healthy, to live long, for your longevity also, animal eating is not good. We invite different types of dangerous diseases after the consumption of animals. So I request to all of you, please save animals, birds, even insects. Let's not try to finish this earth. In the name of development, in the name of progress, in the name of advancement, we have really wrecked this nature. Yes, we are trying to make the nature bankrupt, and bankruptcy really affect to human along with other creatures. So my request, my humble request is, let's make the loud sound for animal peace, and let's join our hands to save them, because animal sacrifice is unjust, it's illegal, and it's sin. Thank you very much. I hope you love this video. I request you to subscribe my channel. If you want to see, if you want to motivate yourself, then I request you to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon. It really helps to receive different types of motivational videos to you. Thank you very much. Have a good time. Let's make this world a peaceful planet, really peaceful planet. And it is possible only by you and with others. Thank you.